Morning, guys. I am getting the moisture out of a towel that I'm going to make for a friend. Millie is in the hospital, and I woke up at 4:30 and thought, I think I'll take her something. Well, I've always called her prom queen because she's very pretty and sweet, really, really sweet. People love her. And I thought I would take her a towel. She loves to bake, so I'm going to take her something for her kitchen. And the other thing I'm doing is I'm clocking how much time this takes me. I'm trying to get a little bit faster. I'm going to see if I can put two things down at once. Why wouldn't that work, right? As long as they don't overlap each other. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. I thought I lost one of my letters. I'm working with matte vinyl and glitter, and I put them upside down so the shiny sides were down, and mirror image. There we go. From the kitchen of Prom Queen. I think I could have made that a little bit darker gray. You learn with every single project, don't you? Bye, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell so you'll be notified of each new tutorial. Thanks, everyone.